Australians are known for their love of coffee. In fact, when you go overseas, the first thing you'll notice is how much you miss coffee back home. Our baristas have become the best in the world, pushing flavors out of every single bean. In our coffee industry, we import all our beans, sourcing some locally, but ultimately our industry relies on overseas import. The thing that we need the most is an Australian-made coffee machine, so that the engineers designing in Australia can hear what the baristas and the cafe owners have to say. And that's exactly what Mercury Nero has been doing over the last 3 years. They've been following around East Coast Espresso to find out more about the industry and what problems they have so that we can solve it. The first thing we did was we redesigned the steam boiler, making it vertical to optimize steam making process. The new Mercury Nero steam hub is 25% water and 75% steam. The result is an amazing textured milk. To sum up, the best qualities of the steam hub is how compact it is, how affordable, how simple and sophisticated and reliable it is, the less water usage, the dual steam taps, the improving productivity and innovating design. And above all, it's an Australian-made machine for Australians.